Read with Al by Dr. Sara Northern. Hi, scholars. How are you today? It's time to read. Yay! Let's read today. Here we go. At, am, an, it, in, if, on, up, us. Good job, scholars. You read today. Yay! Break it down. I'm smart, I know it, and every day I show it. Yay!